Good morning. I'm Priya Palta, and I'm the program chair of the Epidemiology and Prevention Council, and I am at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill.
Good morning. I'm Lilian Sattler. I am the program chair for the Council on Lifestyle and Cardiometabolic Health for the EPI Lifestyle Scientific Sessions 2026. I am an associate professor of nutritional sciences and pharmacy at the University of Georgia.
We're really excited to have you all here in Boston joining us for the 2026 AHA Epidemiology and Prevention Lifestyle and Cardiometabolic Health Scientific Sessions. We have over 800 people registered this year, which is one of the largest conferences to date. And our theme of this year is a New Era, AI in Cardiovascular Health Research and Practice, which is really timely as we start to think about how artificial intelligence is becoming more prominent as we conduct research and how it impacts how we deliver care to our patients. So we had 3 keynote speakers. We had Dr. Adam Rodman from the Harvard Medical School, who gave a nice overview of artificial intelligence and its use in healthcare. And then we had Dr. Dina Katabi from the MIT Computer and Artificial Intelligence Lab, and she spoke about the digital applications of artificial intelligence. And then we had Dr. Tina Ann Thompson from Emory University, who really got deep into how we can use these AI tools in a primary care setting. And then building on our theme, we have what I think is one of the most exciting parts of the conference is our debate, which is being held with the American Society of Preventive Cardiology. And this year, we're going to be talking about democratizing AI. Should everyone become an AIologist? And so Dr. Ashish Saraju and Dr. Erica Spatz are going to go head to head and talk about, should we be gaining competency in the use of these artificial intelligence tools? Or how much should we be thinking about the limitations and possible concerns around the use of AI in healthcare? And I'll pass it over to you to tell us a little bit about what you're excited about.
Well, thank you, Priya. I think a very timely highlight of this conference is the presentation of the 2026 American College of Cardiology, American Heart Association Multi-Society Guideline for the Management of Dyslipidemia. Dr. Roger Blumenthal, the chair, and Dr. Pamela Morris, the vice chair of the writing group, along with Dr. John Wilkins and Dr. Ron Blankstein, will give us an overview over the 10 most important things to know about the guideline. They will then discuss the roles of the PREVENT ACVD risk equations and imaging in risk assessment, and wrap up the session with very practical clinical pearls and case discussions for us to understand. This session is scheduled for Thursday from 8 to 10 in the Grand Ballroom. Let's also support our early career investigators. The Council on Lifestyle and Cardiometabolic Health Early Career Committee, in collaboration with the Council on Epidemiology and Prevention Early Career Committee, will host the annual 3-minute rapid-fire oral abstract competition that will take place on Wednesday from 10:30 to noon in the Constitution Ballroom. This year's keynote speaker is Dr. Ann Thorndike, who will be presenting her career trajectory, and it's always very lovely to hear from very senior individuals in the field how their career trajectory evolved and just some tips and tricks for early career investigators, so it's very worth listening to. That's followed by 5 finalists battling for the grand prize. They will be presenting their research projects in 3 minutes or less with 1 static slide only. And I can tell you that this year we had a lot of submissions, more submissions than in any other year. And the selected projects are really, really fascinating. I think it's very well worth attending this session. The current AHA president, Dr. Stacy Rosen, along with Dr. Larry Apple, Dr. Norina Allen, and Dr. Gregory Marcus, graciously agreed to be judging this event, and they will be naming the winner and runner-up at the joint council dinner. And you definitely do not want to miss the joint council dinner. It is a fantastic opportunity to network. It's just great to celebrate the accomplishments of junior investigators, of mid-career investigators, and established people in the field. And there is a dance floor for afterwards, so there's some fun to be had. And then last but not least, I would be remiss not to mention the many roundtables that you can participate in every morning from 10 to 10:30 during the morning break. We have a lot of different great topics, and you can one-on-one discuss any kind of questions you might have with investigators. The roundtable that I'm really excited to attend this week is the roundtable from the 10-day seminar on epidemiology and prevention of cardiovascular disease. We're alumni of the program and we call ourselves cousins. I am one of them. And faculty gather with interested individuals, specifically early career investigators, to discuss what the program can do for you. This program has been instrumental in creating a belonging for early career investigators within the AHA and at AHA conferences, often for the rest of their careers. So I think it's very well worth attending. And it's worth noting that this year is the 50th anniversary of the program, which is a very exciting accomplishment.
In addition to the roundtables, which I think are a great way for networking and for early career investigators, I don't want people to forget about attending the posters. We have over 600 posters that were submitted and accepted and will be presented at the conference. So you can see those tonight and tomorrow, as well as the moderated poster sessions. So just a great way to spark discussions and collaborations and get ideas for how you can advance your research. Lots of great events this week for everybody to attend, in addition to the oral sessions and the roundtables and the posters. So much for you all to engage in. So we hope you enjoy your time in Boston, enjoy the conference, and have a great week.